Yard 816.
816 over.
Hey, Anchor, they screwed up on their request for their switch today. The spot J2 needs to be a soda car, not a sand car. Put a soda car on J2, just like you always do.
Okay, roger. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, the soda goes to J2.
Right. Yard RW Rapley. Hey, we'll need to get it clear. 3 times to get it come in. Thank you. Hard 310.
310.
Yeah, okay, when you get the light, make a cut and start in on a yard lead, just to clear gang, no signal.
Alright, okay to start our work here and just knocked out.
Some may say don't